Yo, what's up guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to get a six-pack in 1 week for 10 to 13 year olds again. But this time I'm going to be just going over what you need to do. Honestly guys, it's really all about diet. 85% diet, 15% working out. So what you want to do is just stay away from all the junk food, all the crap, and especially soda or energy drinks, or obviously no alcohol. And I mean, I'm sure you guys don't drink alcohol at your age, but honestly, just stay away from all kinds of junk food and drink lots and lots of water. Eat healthy. Don't research about your health, and don't eat stuff that has like corn syrup in it and dye in it and all that. And just eat healthy. Try to eat healthy, which that's very, very common advice. But if you just research a little bit on what's really, really bad for you, you can realize really quick. Just do some of your own research, and you're gonna get a six-pack in no time, or at least a flat stomach. Start with a flat stomach. Make your goal, get a flat stomach. If you're really overweight and you have a lot of body fat, it's good to just start off with a goal of, okay, I'm gonna get a flat stomach or whatever, or a more concrete goal. Than, I mean, a six-pack is a long way to go if you have a big old belly, So you gotta start incrementally. And I mean, a flat stomach is, I mean, yes, a six-pack's cool, but in the end, it's vain. It's just work. I mean, it's just to show off, or what are you trying to achieve it for? You gotta have a strong reason why you want to get a six-pack, and that is the key to doing anything consistently. Working out, if you're gonna work out consistently and get a six-pack, or eat healthy consistently, if you're just doing it just to show off, you're probably not gonna stick to it. But if you're doing it because you want to be healthy and you want to live long and you have a really real purpose to what you're doing, that's going to be a lot better, and that's going to be really good. So thank you so much. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos, and click the link in the description for my story, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.